A new internet provider is entering the building. Arvig. Arvig's MultiWav internet service provides fiber optic internet to apartment buildings, condos, and townhomes throughout the metro area, St. Cloud and Rochester. And now, Arvig's MultiWav internet is being added to your building. Before we can bring in our internet services, we need your help. We have reached an agreement with your building's owner, board, or association to wire the property with fiber optic internet that includes a Wi-Fi 6 router and managed Wi-Fi in every unit. To do so, we must enter each unit. This is where your help comes in. Our goal is to make the installation process as efficient, transparent, and safe as possible. Here's what you can expect. Your property staff will notify you 24 to 48 hours before installation. Included in this notice will be instructions to remove personal belongings from the area where installation will occur, usually in the living room or near an existing internet connection. Arvig and our authorized service partner, Inside Out Installation, will enter your unit for approximately 30 minutes to complete the installation. This does not mean that you are required to sign up for Arvig's MultiWav internet service. Arvig and Inside Out Installation are Minnesota-based companies, and both are bonded and insured in the state of Minnesota. Our team will enter each unit and install fiber optic internet and a Wi-Fi 6 router in as little as 30 minutes. Arvig MultiWav internet will not be available immediately. We will let you know when the connection goes live. Please note the power cord is property of Arvig MultiWav. Upon completion, our team will thoroughly clean the area, including vacuuming, and lock the unit before we leave if you are not home. We will leave information about Arvig's MultiWav fiber internet service, including a special offer for those who pre-order. Experience fiber internet for yourself. Pre-order now with the link in the description and save on your first month.